What's up, everybody? Today I am at another sad abandoned strip mall. A few months ago I made a video called The Saddest Strip Mall in New Jersey. I think I've found one that's even worse. Let's go take a look at this one. And here we have the sign. Good Lord, even the sign's falling apart. And just take a look at this parking lot. This is a scene straight out of the apocalypse right here. Completely overgrown. And here we have the center. It's hard to see from here, but the roof is actually falling in. Let's go get a closer look. Let's take a walk through this overgrown jungle that once was a parking lot. Oh my gosh, you know what, never mind. I don't think I'm gonna walk through there. Let's take a closer look at this building. It is decrepit. Yeah, look up through that window and you can see straight up into the sky. This place is so far gone that the roof has fallen in. Yikes. And so this was a Snap Fitness, and now it is reclaimed by nature. I think if I walk up here I can get a look in the door. Yikes. Yikes is all I have to say about this place. Gym closed, lost our lease. You don't say. And just look at the ground here. That is all the roof, drop ceiling tile, falling apart, turning into mush. Let's see if we can see. Yeah, wow. Wow, this is bad. Continuing on. Now I don't know what this spot was. I heard there was a billiards hall here. I actually heard about this place from Reddit, so I want to give a shout out to everybody on New Jersey Reddit. It's the one reason I still go to that website. Oh wow, look at that. There's a hose in there. This is disgusting. Wow. Yeah, and right here, there's a little walkway to a restaurant. Let's see if we can see that. Called Suppa's. So we're gonna go take a look at that. Also closed. Also ceiling collapsing. And here we are walking along the side of the building. I guess they had some businesses facing this street here. Restaurant. And we can see down here, we got plants growing inside the restaurant. How's that for farm fresh? Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. That is so nasty in there. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, look at that. We can get a good look inside right here. Yeah, just look at that. On here in the back door, we can see what looks like one of the booths for this restaurant. Oh yeah, I think that's a old cash register. Look at how old that is. This place is so grimy. Right here we had a dry cleaning business. This whole place needs to be cleaned. It needs to be cleansed with fire. Just burn this whole place down. bulletin board. Wow. This place is completely trashed inside. Good God. Let's head into the dumpster enclosure. See what's back here. So yeah, it looks like people were dumping stuff here. Yikes. Yeah, this whole plaza is just probably one of the worst I've seen. Pretty bad. And so right here next to this strip mall is this old abandoned motel, which is in the process of demolition. Isn't that incredible? Oh, look at that. So it's fenced off, so I don't think I'm going to be able to go in there and walk around, but it is so cool looking. This looks like something out of an episode of ADR. So now walking back, we can get a better look at this motel here. And just look at that sign. That is crazy. Just look at this place. Just look at these little cabins here. That's so cool. So this was another sad abandoned strip mall. I hope you liked this video. This is kind of turning into a bit of a series, going to these sad, crusty strip malls. I've always wanted to do dead malls, and I feel like I've covered a lot of the good ones in my area. Now I'm finding all these little strip malls popping up that are in just really poor shape, and so I'm filming those. I hope you like these videos. My name is Ray. My channel is Ray Out There. If you like this video, please hit subscribe to join me on my adventures in the future. Thank you for watching.